Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to start by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Following that, tap on Language and Input and your default keyboard, in my case Celia 1. Then go into Input and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you will switch it off or on. If you are using Microsoft One, click on it, then tap on Typing and select this switcher next to autocorrect to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!